Frequently asked question number 54. Can I leave my succulents out in rain? Now guys, you need to understand a little rain won't harm your healthy succulents. In fact, it is going to work out really well because when it tends to rain, it tends to give a deep watering to your succulents. But this is only okay if it tends to happen once or twice. Let's say that you forgot, you were outside, you were not able to come and cover your succulents, and let's say once or twice they did get wet in the rain. That is absolutely fine. All you have to do is just take a succulent blower and blow off if there is any water on the leaves. Let's say that once or twice it did rain, and then after that the water was still there on the leaves, and after that what happens is the sun immediately tends to come out. Now the moment the sun is going to fall on those water droplets, you are going to get a lot of burns on your leaves, so you have to be extremely careful. Now this was being said about once or twice. It's absolutely fine. Your succulent will get a deep watering. They will love that. But let's say that it starts raining for almost a week continuously, then definitely you cannot keep your succulents out in rain because the soil is going to stay moist for a longer period of time. At this point of time, forget about the leaves getting burnt. Your roots will start to rot because the soil is going to stay moist. So you have to ensure that you protect your succulents. Do not keep them out in rain. If the rain persists for almost a week or 2 weeks, if your succulents are out uncovered, they will start to rot. Not all of them, but few will start to rot initially, and then slowly others will also start to rot, because remember, succulents are from very arid conditions. They do not like that continuous moisture in the soil. They prefer their soil to be completely dried out before you water again. So if you are going to leave your succulents out in rain for almost 1 to 2 weeks, in most cases the succulents will start to rot, and there is going to be a lot of issues to your succulents. So you have to ensure that once or twice it's absolutely fine. If your succulent is extremely dehydrated, you can just put them out in the rain once or twice. They will plump up, but again, continuously keeping them in rain is definitely going to harm. The plastic sheet has not arrived yet. As and when that happens, I will definitely keep and make a video of it. Right now it is very sunny. It hasn't rained in couple of days, so I'm quite happy because there is a good amount of sunlight. All of my succulent soil is dried. So let's see, whenever it tends to rain, I will get the plastic sheet and I'll make a video on it so you can get a fair idea how to cover your succulents during the rain. And also you have to ensure that when you're putting up the plastic, there has to be a good amount of air circulation. Probably at both ends of the plastic it should be open so that there is a good amount of airflow, because when you tend to put plastic, it can suffocate the succulent. So even though you are protecting your succulents from rain, it shouldn't be that they are dying because of suffocation. So I will make a video as and when I get the plastic sheet. Please don't be worried. I know a lot of people have already started receiving rains, or at times in some cities or in some countries it tends to rain on and off. So I will make the video as soon as possible so that it can help you guys out. So at the end of the day, I would say once or twice keeping them in rain is absolutely fine, but not for a prolonged period. You need to let the soil dry. If it is going to stay wet for a longer period of time, definitely there is going to be root rot, stem rot, or a crown rot. So you have to be extremely careful. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching.